All right, this looked like it was some sort of creepy closet here, but it actually turns out that it's more of a basement. We're downstairs, babe, and we got to make sure the heat's on. It doesn't feel like it, but it's also not freezing in here.
It's not that cold.
So as we go downstairs, it smells like mold.
Oh wow, gross.
Oh, you're making a video?
Significant amounts. Yeah, I am.
Well, I wasn't sure if you were talking to me or if you. Or...
No.
This actually isn't.
So it's wet somewhere.
This is a stripper pole. This is a stage.
So,
It's a stage.
so I don't know if this video is going on Motown Insta or Facebook or YouTube, but it's unedited, that's for sure. And so, every once in a while, you can find a stripper pole in a house and finish the stripper basement. Ooh, this is a magic room. Look at this. More storage and demo. A drain pipe that goes to who knows where. All kinds of fun stuff down here. Who knows what you will find. But a lot of demo. A lot of stuff to do. A lot of things to make this place nice. So we'll keep you up to date. We're working on a lot of different stuff right now. 4, 5, 6 properties between Detroit, Grand Rapids, doing a lot of different things. Got a lot of cool stuff going on, so we'll keep you updated. So, second video from this house. It smelled like mold downstairs. It was going to be fun. And mold smells like money, so that's fantastic. We'll see you guys later.